Hello students, welcome to your grammar class. Today we will learn about adverbs and its kinds. So let's proceed. So now the question arises, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. It tells when, where and how an action is performed or indicates the quality or degree of the action. Or in other words, we can say that an adverb is a word which adds some meaning to the verb. For example, it modifies the verb in different ways, like how tells manner, when tells the time of the action, where tells the location of the action. So children, in this way we can say that an adverb adds something to the meaning of the verb or action word. In this slide, we'll come to know the different kinds of adverb with their functions. Adverbs of manner. Let us talk about it. Adverbs of manner indicate how an action is performed. It tells us the manner of the action. For example, the baby smiled happily in her mother's lap. So we can say that the main action is smiled, and the word happily is telling us the way baby smiled. So it shows clearly the manner of the action. The second kind is adverbs of time, which indicates when the action is performed. Let us know how. For example, the fabled house of the rich have disappeared since only the ruins remain. Here, the action is disappeared and it is indicating the time since only the ruins remain. So the words such as since, later, ago, before, today, still, yet and soon are some common adverbs of time. We need to remember all these words. So adverb of time finally tells us the time of the action performed or occurred. The third type, if we talk about, is the adverb of place. Adverb of place indicate where the action is performed. Clearly, as its name is showing, that it tells us the place or location where the action is performed. So the words such as here, there, away, near, everywhere and nowhere are some common adverbs of place. We can see, we can understand it through some example. Like if I say, I could not find the bunch of keys anywhere. Find is the main verb and anywhere is actually indicating the place or location of the action. So let's proceed with the next kind, which is adverb of frequency. It indicates how often an action is performed. Let us see how. Words such as always, sometimes, never, rarely, usually, daily, once and occasionally are some common adverbs of frequency. As I have already told you that adverb of frequency is indicative of how often the action is performed. For example, my father rarely drinks coffee. Let's proceed with the next kind, which is adverb of degree. So children, adverb of degree indicates the intensity or degree of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, the runner had nearly completed the marathon when he tripped and fell. Nearly completed. So adverb of degree is actually indicative of the extent of an action. You can say the extent of an action means how intense the action is. So let's proceed with the next kind, that is adverb of reason. Adverb of reason indicates why an action was performed. Naturally, as the name is indicative of the reason, so it tells us the reason of an action. Words such as therefore, hence, consequently, thus, and on account of are some common adverbs of reason. For example, he is ill and is therefore unable to come to school. So in this example, we can see therefore is indicative of the reason. So children, in this slide, we will learn about the two more types of adverb. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. Words such as when, where, why, how, and how often are used as interrogative adverbs. For example, when did your mother come home from work? Next type of adverb is relative adverb, which are used to introduce a dependent clause in a sentence while modifying the verb preceding the adverb. Words such as when, where, why are some of the relative adverbs. We can understand it more clearly with the help of an example. For example, I know the area where he lives. So here children, we can see that the word where has a clear connection or relation with the action word know. So I know the area where he lives, and it is also qualifying the first reason which I had given you, that is relative adverbs are used to introduce a dependent clause in a sentence while modifying the verb. Here we can see that I know the area is an independent clause, and where he lives is the dependent clause. So where he lives, where is the relative adverb. Hopefully I made it clear. So let's proceed with the position of adverbs. Each type of adverb is placed differently in a sentence. Adverbs of manner are placed after the verb. For example, she practiced hard to win the competition. Here we can see that hard is the manner of action which has been placed after the main action word practiced. Number 2, adverbs of time and place are placed after the object of the verb. For example, I had been to this shop before. Number 3, adverbs of frequency are placed before the main verb, after the verb be, or between the main and auxiliary verbs. For example, Renu usually studies in the morning. Adverbs of degree are placed before the main verb. If the sentence has a main verb and an auxiliary verb, the adverb is placed between the two. For example, I almost fainted in the heat. So children, hopefully I made the positions of adverb clear to you with certain examples. Thank you for watching the video.